Okay, you now have potential customers aware of the brand and what it provides. However, they aren't ready to purchase yet. Now, what do you do next? You build consideration. In the consideration stage of the marketing funnel, you build interest for your product or service. The potential customer already knows about the product or service, and now they're ready to learn more. Now, it's important to remember that the strategies we discussed in the previous video still apply in the consideration stage. For example, social media marketing helps build consideration. Content marketing does too. Now, a difference between the awareness and the consideration phase is a type of marketing strategy you apply. For example, the content for the consideration phase may be more in-depth and persuasive, such as a case study. The ad targeting will likely be different as well. Previous visitors will be targeted. Here are some marketing strategies and tactics to build consideration. First is a unique selling proposition, also called the USP. And it explains why a product or service is better than the competition. And once a potential customer is aware of the product or service, make sure that the USP is clear and repeat it often. Testimonials are when customers provide their experience with a product or service. A well-crafted testimonial can build trust in a potential customer. They imagine themselves as the customer who had a great experience and problem was solved. Testimonials can either be written in audio or in video. Next is case studies, are similar to testimonials, except they're usually more in depth. They are often in written format. A business with projects that last for several months may use a case studies to explain its progression. A thorough case study builds trust in the potential customer. Remarketing ads are advertisements delivered to previous purchasers, subscribers, or visitors to a brand's website or social media. These types of ads are common in e-commerce. You likely have experienced ad remarketing. For example, maybe you viewed one or more pairs of shoes on a website and then later saw ads for those shoes showing up on other web pages or apps you visited. That's remarketing. You'll learn more about this tactic in a later course. Webinars are presentations, typically educational, that are provided online. They are a great way to both educate potential customers and promote your product or service. One challenge to webinars is getting people to attend. You'll want to make sure you're providing something enticing and of value to your customers. Email marketing is when you send promotional or educational emails to an email list. When a potential customer becomes aware of the brand and signs up for an email list, they would like to learn more about the products or services offered. There are many uses of an email list. One strategy to build consideration is to send out educational emails about the products or services. Testimonials also work great for those who haven't purchased yet. Social media marketing is slightly different in the consideration stage than the awareness stage. In the consideration stage, potential customers are now account followers. Post to followers consistently with varied content to build their interest in the brand. Now, that wraps up the strategies to build consideration. Okay, the potential customers have considered the product or service and they're ready to make a purchase. In the next video, you'll learn about the conversion stage, how to encourage customers to follow through and really make that purchase.